Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. Big news: the S&P has achieved 4620. What's so big about 4620? Well, it's been a rolling month, 12-month rolling target for about a year now. 4620 is the 100% measured move higher from the range that was defined by February 2020 highs and the March 2020 lows. You also now have pretty big resistance coming from the trend line from March of this year that the market S&P broke down below in quadruple witching week, and now is testing the underside of that trend line as resistance, and it's aligning near 4620 here today. So keep an eye on that. The markets have pulled back a little bit. The S&P and NASDAQ, now they both are below our momentum indicators, about 4600, 4603. Going to be resistance here in the S&P, and it needs to close above there in order to kind of carry this momentum here from the start of the week and from the finish of last week as well. NASDAQ about 18,850. All the levels though are on our Morning Express. Check them out there. And then for the Russell 2000, it is breaking out above a downtrend line. However, it's not breaking out above previous highs. So you don't want to be chasing this up here. We have a nice big move, 2350, 2355 area was the high. Pullbacks into 2320 are going to bring a lot of support, 23 and a quarter even. So keep an eye on that. Don't chase the Russell, but keep an eye as well with the S&P and NASDAQ close today. Big, important close here and all the levels in the Morning Express. Moving on to crude oil, major 3-star resistance was rare. Major 4-star resistance is still holding. 84.60, 85 bucks. It's a big level. Hasn't closed above there. It's traded above there, but hasn't closed above there. And then today, again, tested into it before retreating. We have some support at 83.50. Then 83.70, 83.90 has been a pretty big point of balance. So watch that for crude oil as the week unfolds. Obviously, inventory data, OPEC Plus, and coming in the news on Thursday. So a lot of news to come out here in the next couple of days. And then obviously the Fed meeting, and you're going to see a lot of volatility from the Fed meeting and payrolls across the currency space, rate space, and all the markets. And then more particularly too, gold and silver. And gold and silver are rebounding from those early Friday lows. The dollar has pulled back a little bit too. It's helping to underpin this rebound. Treasuries remain elevated. That's been an overall path of least resistance for gold and silver on this rebound. But the Treasury market is down here today. Rates are just a touch higher after ISM manufacturing came in better than expected. So a big week of data. Stay nimble out there. And then for gold and silver, though, momentum indicators are right where they're settling, about 1795 in gold and right about 2405 here in silver. So consolidating, but a lot of support. And they hit those supports on Friday, 1780 to 85 in gold, and about 20. Silver held a trend line, 2370, and then our major 3-star support about 2385, 2390. Barely spending time down there. So watch these markets consolidate. The dollar index pulling back about 9380 to 9390. Some good support. We're testing into that right now. And then, like I said, the Treasury market pulling back a little bit here. The bond market's still pretty elevated after last week, a big move last week. But give us a call. Our trade desk is here as the week unfolds. A lot going on. 312-278-0500. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.